Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pride and joy that we welcome you all to Paranaque National High School Baccalaureate's Recognition Day for academic year 2024-2025. This momentous occasion is dedicated to honoring the perseverance, dedication, and achievements of our students. The importance of our youthful generation in forming and bolstering the future of our country is highlighted by this year's theme, Generosity and Unity, Partners for the New Philippines.
The processional. Let us all welcome the Parañaque National High School Baccalaureates teaching and non-teaching staff.
Starting with the Paranaque National High School Baccalaureate non-teaching personnel headed by Mount Cassandra Tricia L. Maha.
National High School Tanggaran, SPE Officers, and by Ms. Silana Matan.
The Paranaque National High School Baccalaureate faculty. Secondly, department, headed by Ms. Cristina Lumacban, and Ashanti and Assistant in Senior High School.
Sir, the English department, led by Mrs. Milagros B. Jose and Teacher Lee.
From the national development, rather than Israeli style, like children.
From the Science Department, verified this is the Delphi Platform, head teacher team, in assisted with the principal for academics and special programs.
From the Social Studies Department, headed by Mr. Diender V. Renoco, Head Teacher 3 and Assistant to the Principal for Administration and External Linkages.
From the TLE Department, headed by Ms. Chinsa T. Tabanera, head teacher team. From the ESP Department, headed by Ms. Sheena G. Alberto, Head Teacher 3.
Xavier Fall, Head Teacher 3.
Our distinguished guest speaker, Engineer Limuel Latero.
The Parañaque National High School Baclaran, Assistant to the Principal, Mr. Jerfel O. Chan.
The Parañaque National High School Baclaran Principal 4, Dr. Jerry C. Cachillar.
Our Public Schools District Supervisor, District 7, Ms. Maria Estrelita Arceo. May we request everyone to please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, followed by the doxology, NCR hymn, and the division hymn.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Dear Heavenly Father, we humbly approach your throne of grace with hearts overflowing with gratitude for the countless blessings we have received and those yet to come. Despite our unworthiness, your boundless love and mercy know no limits. We fervently pray for our nation that you would heal the broken spirits of our fellow citizens and grant us peace amidst turmoil. Guide our leaders with wisdom and fill their hearts with genuine love for the people, that they may work towards progress and prosperity. Grant us respite from relentless turmoil, and may we catch glimpses of the silver lining. May your peace, which surpasses all understanding, be our comfort and strength. We also bring before before you our event today. May it be a catalyst for lasting transformation in the lives of our students, parents, and all in attendance. As we entrust our students to your care, Lord, may your guiding light illuminate their paths. May their aspirations be fueled by courage, and may they confront challenges with unwavering resolve. May they emerge triumphantly over adversity, their spirits unbroken and their hearts ablaze with positivity. May they become beacons of productivity, radiating impact that transforms our society. As they journey through life, may they be vessels of your blessing, spreading hope and inspiration to all they encounter. And as they carry the lessons of our humble institution, may they face life's struggles with confidence, equipped to soar to greatness. Bless each person present, and may your presence be felt throughout this gathering. We pray this in your holy name, Lord. In Jesus' name, we pray. Amen.
You may now be seated. So our untiring and ever equal principal, Dr. Jerry C. Cachillar. So our capable and efficient public schools district supervisor, Ms. Maria Estrelita C. Arceo. So our generous and big-hearted guests of honor. To our highly competent and deeply motivated members of the faculty and staff. To the proud and loving parents, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a blissful morning and a warm welcome to each and every one of you.
Today is more than just a day of recognition. It's a celebration of resilience, determination, and the pursuit of excellence. With every challenge we've faced and every dream we've pursued, we contribute to a brighter tomorrow for our country.
Today is the perfect day to say thank you to the people behind our success. But before we come to that, let us all welcome and listen to the opening remarks to be given to us by Dr. Jerry C. Cachillar, Secondary School Principal 4.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. To our esteemed guests, our Public Schools District Supervisor, Maria Estrelita C. Arceo, our guest speaker, proud parents, dedicated school administrators, teachers, non-teaching personnel, and most importantly, our awardees who are about to receive the fruits of their labor this morning. Good morning. Today, we gather to celebrate a significant milestone in the lives of our students at Parañaque National High School, Baclaran. As we embrace the theme, Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines, we are reminded of the strength that comes from collaboration and shared purpose. This year has been a testament to our collective efforts. We have faced challenges and celebrated victories, all while nurturing an environment where every student can thrive. Each achievement we recognize today is not just a reflection of individual talent, but a product of the unwavering support from our teachers, the dedication of our parents, and the resilience of our students. As we honor our awareness, let us also acknowledge the partnerships that have been instrumental in shaping our school community. From local organizations to our dedicated faculty, your contributions have paved the way for a brighter future for our students. Let us continue to work hand in hand, fostering unity and collaboration as we strive for excellence in education. Together, we can build a new Philippines, one that values inclusivity, respect, and pursuit of knowledge. Congratulations to all our awardees. May your achievements inspire others to reach for other dreams. Thank you for being here today, and let us celebrate the spirit of unity that binds us all. Mabuhay, and God bless us all.
Thank you so much, sir, for that vivifying message.
And to further inspire our students as they continue their academic journey, let us listen to a meaningful message from our Public Schools District Supervisor, Ms. Maria Estrelita C. Arceo.
Thank you. Dr. Jerfel Chan, Assistant to the Principal, PNHS Baclaran. Dr. Jerry C. Cachillar, Principal for PNHS Baclaran. Honored guests, department heads, members of the faculty, parents, and students. Good morning. It is a significant day for yet another important event in the lives of our students as we celebrate Recognition Day with the theme Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines. Congratulations to all of you who made it to this day as you receive the symbol of all your hard work, patience, and diligence, and that happens to be your medal. You are exceptional students for having learned how to face challenges despite the difficulties you faced. You have tried all possible means to come out of your comfort zones just to be able to finish your task on time. Maybe it's about time you learn to share with other students your methods, like how to approach ma'am or sir and ask a question, or inquire something about the part of the lesson that you didn't quite understand. Bakit nga ba kapag tama naman ang ating gagawin para sa kapakanan ng ating pagkatuto at saka tayo nahihiya? Tama po ba? Pero wala namang masama, di ba? Okay. When there are things you need to do that concerns your studies, be not afraid. We have partners. We have your teachers, our community leaders, and the rest of the division of Parañaque, and even the city of Parañaque. Who knows? Your teachers might appreciate you better because you take time to reflect or introspect. Besides, how do you feel about approaching your teachers? Hindi ba nakakagaan ng kalooban? Na sinubukan mo, natatakot ka, pero okay naman pala? Tama ba? Okay. Always remember that you are not doing it for yourself alone. But by so doing, you contribute to the honor and greatness of PNHS Baclaran, where I once belonged. To the rest of the students, do not despair. You will get your chance, and I am optimistic that by the next school year, you would become better. Consider this experience a lesson in life. Challenges will always be there, and it will be by your faith and hope in God that will bring you the best in all circumstances. As Douglas MacCallum once said, if you can't be a highway, just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, just be a star. It isn't by the size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Happy, blessed Monday morning.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that invigorating message.
And now, we come to the most awaited part of this event, the awarding ceremony. Each award not only signifies achievement, but also showcases the strength and contribution of our youth in building a better and more prosperous future for our nation.
To award the certificates and medals to our exceptionally brilliant grade 10 students, may we call on the Assistant to the Principal for Academics and Special Programs and the Head Teacher Fee of the Science Department, Ms. Nabel B. Kinagon, and our Assistant to the Principal, Mr. Jerfel O. Chan. Students with honors. Brandon J. V. Jacob David James Olaez. Hussein. Kanandato Yusuf Mandi. Tabayo Adem Magvin Yadalanga. Sibalyo Carmela Menengueta. Sanchez Julia Catherine Bunglo. Trabahante Eliza Ann Yurong. Perez Celine Joy Puranganan.
Faril Jaden Arias. Panes Vermela Claire Espanilla. Palermo Ram Joseph Ontohan. Olequino Kimberly Agregorio. Mosende Mika Mendoza. Lapira Ray Montañez. Kennedy Pia Apali. Halandra Kian Michelle. Guro Farhan Punte. Jersen Janela Liamano.
Guzman Keithmiel Turalba. Casalia Aliyah Chantel Sabado. Alonzo Addison K. Ochoa. Kalikdan Denise Bien Samson. Bisan Marjon Borbon. Benson Jocelyn Gomez. Barredo Dayan Caray.
Bantuas Princess Ami Mahu. Aniban Rizame Alcantara. Alonto Siti Hana Sangkaan. Alcaraz Brent Marty Ibanez. Sonaho Enzo Fraina. Satuito Carl Angelo Arlante. Rosendo Robelin Gabriel. Real Ana Alea Paracale. Navigar Nina Ramiro. Miranda Stephen Philip Castillo.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Nabel Quinagon and Sir Jerfel Chan.
To also assist us in awarding the medals and certificates to our students with honors, may we call on Ma'am Milagros B. Duse, Head Teacher 3 of the English Department, and Ma'am Maylene Q. Tayag, Head Teacher 3 of the Mathematics Department.
Students with honors. Mayor Francesca Faith Poto. Malaba Catherine Risi Candapa. Lectana Justin Matthew Mcglad. Laurentes Irene Pabansay. Laurejas Regine May Zamora. Lago John Paul Cananan. Importado Savannah Jane Sahera. Imam Johaira Sultan. Gonzaga Rolito Jr. Buna. Eliamil Richard Victor Cancino.
Devesli Alexis Cassandra Carla. Celestino Maria Juliana Villarreal. Castro Matthew Jury Katapa. Castro John Rich Epis. Benliro Ira Rain Bunsal. MJ Nicole Kalipayan.
Mano Mary Hope Aringo. Taute Aini Ganda. Sabareza Laura Gabriela Dumaan. Rebedulia Nathan Rino. Quintinta Trisha Fermante. Palmares Lexime Amarillo. Oliveros Season Gale Cassandra. Messina Neil Andre Laksamana. Mesa Regan Rose Tolentino. Mateo Emmy Rico.
Marinda Nicole Sanjorjo. Magno Alan Jr. Capote. Mabeza Sheneline Paha. Maalan Frenji Ako. Lopez Rexel May Javier. Lopez Alfred John Abanes. La Chica Ayana Shea Bibliolaca. Espihon Harold. Dizon Leona Gabriel Beno. Pichoso Roniela Cabrera. much, Ma'am Milagros Tose and Ma'am Maylene Kaya.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of our barangay captain, Honorable Julius June Zaider. Furthermore, to assist us in awarding the medals and certificates to our students with honors, may we invite here on stage Sir Glender V. Rocco, Assistant to the Principal for Administration and External Linkages, and Head Teacher 3 of the Alin Panlipunan Department, and Ma'am Sheena G. Alberto, Head Teacher 3 of the ESP Department. Students with honors. The Pulang Joanna Rosalind. Lorraine Zoe Lito. Carpio Princess Althea Anunciacion. Bofiel Grace Jewel Infiesco. Cyril Keith Yancy Miranda. Balolong Miguel Coronel. Adabro Najifa H. Yusuf. Zapanta Akima Fauzia Tumalis. Ventura Santay Pearl Viray. Samantha Evangelista. Pangkatan, Princess Sonaya Mamas. Pagara, Rian Grace Galvez. Orsine Bolens Serrano. Obrigado, Daniela May Tepre. Mendoza, Lindsay Dimabaya. Makadaan, Asmir Miraato. Legazpi, Jeremy Oliva. Doroha Shania Ruth Olivar. Domingo Joseph Bench Tulyao. Delica Virgil Pons Radan. Circulardo Alan J. Vicente. Kadum Natalie Keith Francisco. Kabunigan Andrea Ponte. Millones Jude Ferrando. Bermudez Lania Nalintabel Bayanan.
Benson Bryson Kyle Florence. Suniega Ayasen. Sampaco Cheryl Dana. Reyes Janver Daniel Pasion. Pangkoga Bihaima Abdul. Lucida Lady Danica Mesa. La Demora Nicolas Rafael. Pietruda Mayumi Quinto. And Amazon Micaela Ish Fernandez.
Thank you very much, Sir Leander Renoco and Ma'am Sheila Alberto. To our student awardees with honors, congratulations!
Moving on to award the certificates and medals to the Student Excellence Awardees with high honors. May we call once again our Assistant to the Principal, Mr. Jerfel O. Chan. Furthermore, to assist Sir Jerfel Chan, let me call on our secondary school principal for Dr. Jerry C. Cachillar.
Students with high honors. Zarzaba Carla Jasmine Umba. Yugosino Amber Cyrene Blythe. Bitlawan Axel Nash Gagalak. Princess Mayet Manzanares. Lemera J.V. Cardenina. Larana Lance Guzman. Garcia Rika Margaret Balite.
She will also be receiving a medal and certificate as a leadership awardee as she consistently demonstrated initiative, responsibility, and a genuine commitment to uplifting others.
Let me just read the citations. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, National Capital Region, Schools Division of Parañaque City, Parañaque National High School Baclaran presents this Leadership Award to Rika Margaret B. Garcia of Grade 10 Newton for demonstrating exemplary skills in motivating others and organizing projects that have significantly contributed to the betterment of the school. Given this 40th day of April 2025 at Parañaque National High School Baclaran, Schools Division of Parañaque City. Signed, Dr. Jerry C. Cachillar.
Cyrus Kyle Gutierrez. Daza Maria Ashley Tato. Arca Rayjon De Leon. Yape Kian Jonel Umali Cruz. Dapon Calix Ivo Vasquez. And Kila Mary Jane Sumanga. Thank you very much, Sir Jeffrey Chan and Dr. Jerry C. Cachillar.
To all the recipients of medals and certificates, congratulations. We are also proud to announce that the following top 10 deserving students will each receive a cash incentive generously provided by our Barangay Baclaran Council in recognition of their academic excellence and dedication. May we call on Honorable Anthony Jun Saide to award the cash incentives to our deserving students.
Kilang Mary Jane Sumangan.
Davon Calix Evil Vasquez.
Yape Kian Chonel Umali Cruz.
Zarzaba Carla Jasmine Umba.
Villusino Amber Serene Blythe.
Larana Lance Guzman.
Lemera J.B. Carianina.
Garcia Rita Margaret Benite.
Arpa Rachel De Leon.
And Bitlawan Axel Nash Gagala.
Thank you so much, Honorable Anthony Jun Saide and the Barangay Baclaran Council. To award the certificate of appreciation to our stakeholder, may we call once again our secondary school principal for Dr. Jerry C. Cachillar and Honorable Anthony Jun Zaide.
Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, National Capital Region, Schools Division of Parañaque City, Parañaque National High School, Baclaran, awards the Certificate of Appreciation to Honorable Julius Anthony Zaide in sincere appreciation of your unwavering support, dedication, and invaluable contributions to Parañaque National High School, Baclaran, which have significantly impacted the success and development of our learners. Your partnership and generosity have fostered a nurturing educational environment, inspiring our students to achieve excellence and reach their full potential. Given this 14th day of April 2025 at Parañaque National High School, Baclaran, Schools Division of Parañaque City. Signed, Dr. Jerry C. Cachillar. To all the recipients of the cash incentives, congratulations.
In this remarkable occasion, the words of wisdom of the guest speaker make this event more meaningful and more memorable. Through this, we can get ideas that will help us progress. To introduce our guest speaker, let us welcome Ms. Alma Zirafal, Head Teacher 3 of the MAPE Department.
To our principals, Dr. Jerry C. Cachillar, to our assistant to the principal, Mr. Jerfel Chan, head teachers, master teachers, teachers, non-teaching staff, students, and parents. A blessed morning. Today is a moment of pride and celebration, and it's about to get even more special. It is my great honor to introduce a remarkable individual whose journey began right here, within the walls of Parañaque National High School, Baclaran. Just like many of you, our guest speaker once sat in this classroom, dreamed big dreams, and took the first step towards building a future filled with purpose and achievement. He is a professional electrical engineer, currently serving as an electrical substation consultant at HOM COR Marketing and Construction Services Corporation. His career has been nothing short of inspiring. He is a registered ASEAN engineer, an ASEAN Chartered Professional Engineer, and a certified energy manager. On top of that, he rolled a Master of Science degree in electrical engineering, an achievement that reflects his unwavering commitment to learning and excellence. From our humble host to international recognition, he proves that where you come from does not limit where you can go. His journey is a shining example of what happens when passion meets perseverance. As we honor the achievements of our students today, let this story remind us all that great things truly start from small beginning, and that each of you has a potential to follow in his footsteps or even go beyond. So, with great honor and excitement, please join me in welcoming one of our very own, Engineer Lemuel P. Ladero.
Nakakakaba naman yung introduction, parang naiiya tuloy ako magsalita. Anyway, to the proud parents, to the students who are present here this morning, to our distinguished guests to witness this memorable event, to Barangay Captain Jun Saide, sir, good morning. To Dr. Jerry Cachillar, our school principal, Mr. Jeffel Chan, our assistant to the principal, sir, good morning. And to Mr. Glendy Ranoko, our assistant to the principal for administration. And to all the faculty members, teaching and non-teaching staff, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. It's my privilege and honor to stand in front of you as a proud graduate of Parañaque National High School. Before, it was called Parañaque Municipal High School. It took 30 years bago po ako makabalik sa ating mahal na paaralan. So you can do the math if you want to know my age and Mr. Ranoko. Well, right now, my only teacher na nandito is Mr. Ranoko. And siya na lang po yung active, and the rest of my teachers is a friend naman sa FB. So I want to share my experience. No? Siguro parang pang maalaala mo kaya yung experience ko. So I want to share my experience in life as a student when my age was like yours. Just for inspiration, my high school and college experience was very challenging during those days. Financial problem talaga yung main reason. Kaya very difficult yung situation ko that time. But I'm still proud of myself because hindi ako sumuko. If sumuko man ako, maybe I'm not the one who stands in front of you. My first 3 years ng high school ko, I was in private school. I was studied in Santa Clara Parish School. Same with ordinary family, we have difficulties in life. my father was a family driver and yung kinikita niya ay sakto lang sa our daily expenses. My nanay was a plain housewife. We went through financial challenges, and same with ordinary families, we had our own difficulties in life. My parents was not able to sustain my studies financially nung ika-4th year ko. That's why napadpad ako sa Parañaque Municipal High School. So that time, my parents said to me or told to me that, anak, tigil ka na lang. But I told my parents that, no, nay, tay, enroll mo ako sa public. Gusto kong lumaban, gusto kong makatapos. I look for other ways to finish my studies. And that's why I enrolled in Parañaque Municipal High School. So basically, I was only a 4th year transferee. In God's grace naman, nakagraduate naman po ako. May I take this time and opportunity to personally thank the Parañaque Municipal High School sirs in accepting me during those hard times. Kayo po yung nag-fill ng gap, no, para makatapos ako and saan ako naroon ngayon. Accepting me means a lot to me. You saved my life and my future. I owe you a lot, and please continue to help other students na nahihirapan to finish their school. But the trial and challenges were not end there. When I go to college, I enrolled Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering at Adamson University. And that time, first year lang po ulit yung natapos ko. And financial problem din ang reason. So when I stopped, I decided to work for 2 years. Kung anong pwedeng trabaho na legal na pagkakakitaan, ginawa ko po. Like I worked as a fast food crew, promo merchandiser, and as an electrician. Ang objective ko po is makabalik sa pag-aaral as soon as possible to become a licensed electrical engineer. Well, consistent ako sa yearbook ko. Talagang dineclare ko, licensed electrical engineer. Nung makabalik ako sa schooling, I'm a working student. But hindi pa rin nagtatapos yung difficulties. Nagkaroon ako ng family during that time. I'm not encouraging you, no? Those students na family na nag-aaral. Napakahirap na pagsabayin yung responsibilities ng being a parent and a student. So basically, my wife helped me to push my studies. Nakapagtapos naman po ako. And on 2017, I got my professional license as electrical engineer. Then my second license was a professional electrical engineer in 2017. I worked in a prestige and known company such as Makati Development Corporation and Aboitiz Power Corporation. Hindi ko na po babasahin tuloy sinabi ni ma'am. But I'm also teaching in engineering university, Technological Institute of the Philippines. Nagtuturo po ako ngayon. So why I'm sharing this? Bakit ko inopen sa inyo, sa mga students? I'm sharing this with you because I want you to know na hindi lang academic excellence ang kailangan to have a bright future. You need to be patient and resilient. Na hindi lang four corners of this school ang kailangan mong galawan to make your dreams come true. So what do you need? Well, trials will make you a better and strong person. Accept trials and challenges with open arms and positive attitude. These trials and challenges will teach you a lesson that will surely make you a better person. Experience and attitude are matters most. Okay? Attitude when you're down and attitude when you're up. The school is only preparing you and giving you the right tools na kailangan mo in the outside world. Your teachers will give you all the tools and knowledge to withstand sa high pressure ng environment sa real world. If mahina ang loob mo, na konting hirap lang susuko ka na, ayaw mo na, then you will not succeed. You have to be more patient. You have to take the pain of life. You have to take the risk kahit na may doubt ka na hindi mo kaya. Just do it. Sabi nga nila, much better to fail than not to try doing it. Remember this, kahit na you excel in school, you will not be able to get your dreams if you will not take the risk. If you recognize today, no, meron kayong medals, your hard work, and leadership certificates, etc. It's not only that, okay? How to excel in life? Well, for me, to be a good daughter or a good son, you excel in life. A good brother, a good sister, you excel in life. And a good and reliable friend, you also excel in life. Excel not only in academics, but to excel in other aspects of life. Try to join other curricular activities, like community services and church activities. Like me, when I was here, I live in Santiago Extension. I served Santa Rita de Casia as sacristan for 12 years. Try to excel not only your own academics, but excel as well to your other aspects such as physical, spiritual, and social. Okay? So this recognition day with the theme Generation of Unity, Partners for New Philippines is a time to mold these children to be a future of this country. Let's celebrate the milestones achieved by our students, a testament to their resilience and reminder of the power of education and develop future leaders. Today we celebrate the students who have excelled in their studies, demonstrated leadership, and made significant contributions to our community. We extend our sincere gratitude to our dedicated faculty. Those unwavering support and guidance have been instrumental in the success of our students. So student, please give a round of applause to your beloved teachers. So we also thank the parents of their unwavering support and encouragement, which has played a vital role in the students' journey. So students, pakipalakpakan din po ang inyong mga magulang and say thank you. So may this recognition day serve as a reminder of their potential and limitless possibilities that lies ahead. Again, congratulations to all our students on this special day. May your future be filled with success, happiness, and endless opportunities. Be strong and ready in everyday challenges in life. Ask for God's guidance and blessings in everything you do. Be a good son, be a good daughter. Love and obey your parents. And try to be a good Filipino citizen as much as you can. Huwag magbisyo. Cause vices will take away your dreams. For the parents and teachers, let us continue to support and inspire our students as they embark on their future journeys. Thank you all for being here today, and let us make this a memorable celebration for our students. Magandang umaga po and mabuhay po ang Parañaque National High School. God bless us all.
Thank you, Engineer Lemuel Ladero, for your words of encouragement, for sharing your achievements, your inspiring experiences, and stimulating story. We are so pleased and delighted by your words.
As a token of our gratitude, we now present the certificate of recognition to our guest speaker, Engineer Lemuel P. Ladero. May we invite our school principal, Dr. Jerry C. Cachillar, together with our assistant principal, Mr. Jerfel Chan.
Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education,
National Capital Region, Schools Division of Parañaque City, Parañaque National High School Baclaran awards the Certificate of Recognition to Engineer Limuel T. Ladero for sharing their invaluable knowledge and expertise as a research speaker during the Recognition Day with the theme, Generosity of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines. Your insightful contributions have inspired and empowered our students as they celebrate their achievements and continue their journey towards excellence. Given this 14th day of April 2025 at Parañaque National High School Baclaran, Schools Division of Parañaque City. Signed, Dr. Jerry C. Cachillar. Recognition Day is also a time to honor the best efforts and unwavering dedication of our students and to express our gratitude to the parents, teachers, and staff who have played an integral role in guiding and supporting our students. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now hear our student awardees as they sing the recognition song.
Before we end this very rewarding ceremony, let us all welcome Mr. Jerfel O. Chan, our assistant to the principal, for his closing remarks.
Good morning to everyone, to our school officials and administrators, to our respected government officials, to our hardworking teachers, to our supportive parents and guardians, to our guest speaker, and of course, to our grade 10 awardees. On behalf of the entire school community, I extend my deepest gratitude to each one of you. This celebration is not only a recognition of academic success, but also a reflection of your collective effort, sacrifice, and unity, which is true to this year's theme, Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines. As we face global challenges like climate change, economic uncertainty, and conflicts, and as our country continues to strive for justice, unity, and progress, may this moment remind us all that we are stronger together. Your generation has the power to shape a kinder, more inclusive, and more united Philippines. Dear grade 10 students, today's medals and certificates are not just pieces of paper and metal. They are symbols of perseverance, your growth, and values that you have built over time, which are discipline, teamwork, and resilience. But beyond that, they are a reminder of your responsibility to use your talents and knowledge, not only for personal success, but also for the good of others. Thank you, parents and guardians, for your patience, support, and unconditional love. So, thank you, government officials and local leaders, for empowering education in our communities. Thank you, school officials, heads, teachers, and personnel, for being the guiding hands behind the celebration and behind every learner's success. Let me leave you with these words of wisdom. Carry yourself in such a way that when others are sitting, you are standing. When they are standing, you will stand out. When they stand out, you will be outstanding. And when others dare to be outstanding, you will be their standard. Congratulations once again, grade 10 awardees. Go out, be brave, be kind, and be united. For you are the partners of a new and better Philippines. Maraming salamat, mabuhay kayong lahat.
Thank you, Sir Jerfel, for that remarkable message.
As we end, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you. Your love for learning, your dedication, and your determination serves as an inspiration to us all.
As the embodiment of a Filipino youth, you have the responsibility to continue promoting social good, equality, and unity. As you move on to the next level of your life, grab every opportunity for learning as you possibly can. The knowledge you learn today will be your treasure in the future.
To our technical working group, thank you very much for a job well done. Once again, this has been your host, Ms. Caitlin Jacob,
and Mr. Cyprus P. Bayo saying,
congratulations and have a victorious and pleasant day to everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, the recessional